Hi guys, welcome to Real GPL. Today I'm going to talk about another theme which is Elessi. It's a e-commerce theme, okay? So I hope you have bought it already. If not, then the link is given in description. Please buy it, download it. For me, it's already downloaded. Let me go there first. So we have the zip file of Elessi. I'm going to unzip it first. After unzipping, let's see the contents. So inside this we have licensing, ignore this. We have rep sliders, it can be ignored, but you can, if you want, you can import it. Then we have documentation, please take a look if you want. And then we have something called Elessi theme, which is the parent theme, and then Elessi theme child, which is the child theme. So what we have to do, just go to your WordPress. Okay, so I'm going to my WordPress, appearance, themes, and then I will upload and install the parent theme first. So upload theme, select file, then select Elessi Theme zip file, click on open, click on install it. Once it is installed, we'll install the child theme. So parent theme is installed. Now let me go to themes again, add new theme, same process we have to follow. Upload theme, select file. This time you have to select child theme and then click on open, then click on install now. Once it is installed, just activate it. Okay, so I'm going to activate it now. After activation, you can see that in the top we got some notification which says we have to install the required plugins. So I'm going to click on begin installing plugins. Then I'm going to select all from bulk action install and then click on apply. This will install all the required plugin for this e-commerce theme. Okay, so almost all done. Yeah, now once done, just click on dashboard to refresh the page, and then you can see in the top we are getting another notification which says we have to activate all the plugins. So just click on begin activating plugins, select all, and then click on activate, then apply. This will activate all the plugins. So we have installed the parent theme, we have installed the child theme, and then we have installed and activated all the required plugins. Now go to theme options and then click on theme setup. We are going to install the demo now. Okay, so there are two things here. We have installed two page builders. One is WP Bakery and the other one is Elementor. So this is your choice which one you want to go. So right now I'm going with Elementor, so I'm going to click on Elementor homepage list. Okay, and then let me install a demo, maybe say jewelry. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I will click on start import sample data in the bottom. So you can see that import has already started, and here we're installing the jewelry demo. You can install anyone as per your choice. So while the demo is being imported, let me show you something very important. On our website we have something called membership plans. So let's suppose you want to download multiple products because you may be a freelancer, small agency, and on a regular basis you might need products. In that case, membership is a good option for you. For example, if you join our VIP membership, that will cost you around $63 for a year, and once you join that, you can download daily 15 products, which means in a month you can download 450 products. Okay, so it's a good choice, so please check it out. We have starter, super saver, VIP, and lifetime membership as well. And apart from this, we also have original licenses on our site. You can check it here, lifetime deals. There's a lot of products which we are offering with a lifetime license. Example is here like DV Flash, Elements Kit, Element Pack Pro, Essential Add-ons, Generate Press, Astra, Late Point, Notification X, Wholesale X. So in total they are 100 plus. So please check it out. Okay, you can also check it here. I have given the link of this in the description. Now let's go back to our demo import section. Yeah, you can see it took me around almost 3 to 5 minutes and the demo import is completed, okay, without any issue. In case if you got any issue, please create a support ticket on website. Now I'm going to click on view your website, and you can see, yeah, everything is perfect. The images are also coming properly, the header, the footer, everything is perfect. So I have installed jewelry demo. You can install anyone as per your choice. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your day and do not forget to check our membership plans and original licenses. Thank you very much.